Shelby time here at Unique Specialty Classics. 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible. Hey, and how about that grabber orange, black top, black interior. Of course, powered by the 5.4 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood. 500 horsepower. That is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, all your goodies: power steerings, power brakes, AC blows cold. Now, if you want to check out still pictures of this car, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, check out the underside. This car actually spent the majority of its life in Texas. Extremely clean. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726. See the front fascia, pretty much free of really much any rock chips. There's just a few I noticed, little kind of touched up spots. It's tough to see them actually. And this color, unfortunately, gets kind of washed out when I get up close on it. There's the true color of the car as you get back away from it. Nice grabber orange color riding on the stock wheels and tires. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And again, like I said, spent the majority of its life in Texas. A little over 31,000 miles on it. Black interior with the Shelby sign placard on the dash. Also the GT500 and Carroll Shelby seats in this one, as well as armrest, as you can see down there. It does have a power top. It is black cloth. We'll run that up at the end of the video here, so you can take a look at that too, and you can also see it in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is one little spot. The previous owner had a little scuff in his garage. It is right here, and you'll be able to see that in the pictures too. It's just on that rear fascia. Of course, dual exhaust with the 500 horse supercharged engine. Great sounding car. We're going to start it up here just shortly also, so you can hear it run, and we'll check out that engine bay. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Nice look with the GT500 stripe on the bottom, and in white. You don't always see that. Looks great on the grabber orange. Those SVT or regular Shelby wheels, the ones that would have came with from Ford back in 07. Check out the rear seat. Of course, ebony leather and in nice shape. This particular one does have the Shaker 1000 stereo system, as you can see right there, and it is working. Ordered. Everything's fine there. There's your odometer, a little over 31,000 miles on it. No warning indicators, anything like that. Only thing down here is the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. And of course, you have all your modern amenities on the interior too, as far as power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, driver's information center also here. And there's that sign plaque. Dash looking good. You can tell the car has been stored indoors, especially with the condition of the paint on this one. Slip around to the rear. These have a nice throaty exhaust. A little rumble coming out of that 500 horse engine. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the hood. Let's pause this a second. I want to get that popped open, prop rod up, check out the engine bay, and then we'll finish up the video with a little peek at the convertible top. Alright, take a look at the hood liner there. First off, that is a heat extractor hood. Actually functions. You can see hood liner good shape on this one. There it is, 5.4 liter supercharged V8 engine. Running the Brute style supercharger. And you can see pictures of this again online, probably 120 pictures or more of this vehicle. And I'll give you that website address and phone number here when we button it up and get done showing you this convertible top. So engine bay, everything in order there. You can also see the SVT tag, hand-built engines, stamped on that little placard on the belt cover. All right, I'm going to pause this one last time. Let's get that top up and check that out, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There, the top's up again. Power top works properly, and as you can see, condition, fine shape, black cloth, glass rear window with defogger. Top's going to keep you out of the sun, keep the air conditioning in if it gets a little warm on a summer day, and or if you get caught in maybe a little shower. It's going to keep you dry. It'll serve its purpose and look good too. Although if this was my car, most of the time I wouldn't have that top up. Have a little summer fun with the top down. 500 horsepower, 5.4 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood. A little over 31,000 miles on this 2007 Grabber Orange. Shelby GT500. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.